Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Open Settings and choose Time and Language to start correcting your system clock. Select Date and Time to view the current configuration and status. Toggle Set Time automatically off if you need to edit the time manually for immediate correction. Use the Change button to set the hour, minute, and second precisely. Verify the time zone field shows the correct zone for your location. Remember that Windows syncs time with servers once every 7 days by default. Open Control Panel, then navigate to Date and Time to access the Internet Time tab. Choose Server Time. Windows. COM or another trusted NTP address for network synchronization. Click Update Now to force an immediate synchronization with that NTP server. If the Update Now button is unavailable, run command prompt as administrator to use W32TM commands. Execute W32TM/resync to trigger a manual resync and observe the success message. These steps correct drift caused by network or OS timing differences quickly. If the clock repeatedly loses time, open your PC and check the CMOS battery voltage. Replace the CR2032 coin cell battery when the system loses time after full shutdown or unplugging. Next, verify the Windows Time service is set to automatic in services and confirm it is running. Use SC query W32time to check status, then restart the service when required to clear faults. Finally, confirm your time zone and daylight settings are correct after service restarts to ensure stable results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.